Mind doesn't understand words, mind actually understands picturization, visualization, and many of the other content that actually exist in a digital form. My idea, my project somewhere dwells around these parameters. Hello friends, my name is Madhav and today I will make you introduce with my project which actually exists for the blind people, non-readers, physically challenged and mentally challenged people. My project name is Talking Book and it is actually for the blind people and non-readers who are actually sluggish, feel sluggishness and boredom after reading some of the content. My project actually supports audio, video, URL and many of the other things. The coding is actually done in Android Studio and we have provided some of the IDs for the NXT tabs. Now this is the actual project. You can see the poem is written Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. It is both written in English language and both Braille language. So the blind people can also understand what is the topic is actually. Now this is the application. You can see the name Talking Book. So let me tap it. So now this is the application which actually reading the NFC tag and playing the content for you. Here you can see that it is a dot and it is the particular dot will be identified by the person that is actually blind. So he will touch that block and he will actually know that it is an NFC tag and need to read it. So simply we need to tap our mobile phone into it and it will play the content. So this is the story is playing here. Having this project, I would like to thank to my guide, Ms. Lakshita ma'am, and I would like to thank my HOD sir, Mr. Gajen Singh Chauhan, and I would like to thank very much to my director sir who actually inspired me for this project. Thank you very much.